Hello. Am I beautiful? Did you came here for a sleepover? Because I was waiting for someone to come, you know? I know I'm beautiful. Look at this body. You want some? Come and get one. You know how to get this kind of body? You gotta work out. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm a big monkey. That's what I am. I'm getting angry. Roar. Why you wanna kill me? I'm innocent. Roar. Ow, ow. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. What have I done? I didn't kill anyone. Bruh, stop it. Stop it. What do you have? A golden scarf? A pistol? Whatever. Ow. Stop it. You know, I'm done with you guys. You guys are rude. Get that out of here, boy. Roar. Dead. I'm a big monkey. Ow, ow, ow. Stop that. Oh my god. I feel like rocks. Get that out of here. Ow, my hand. Why did you did that? You manager. I'm gonna kill you. Roar. What? Are you guys talking about yourself? You guys are crazy. Yeah. Get that out of here, boy. Hey, go away. This is my island. This island costs for $1. You don't have any money. Bet you're poor. Bet you live in the trash can. Why you wanna kill me? I'm innocent. I wanna kill you, huh? Take that. Victory Royale for me belongs to me, boy. Victory Royale belongs to me. Have you ever heard of PUBG? You still play. I agree, you are an idiot. Wait, are we playing hide and seek? I'm in seeker 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I already found you. You suck. Get that out of here. Damn, I'm strong. Are you guys okay? Bruh. Now it's your turn to die, boy. Get that out of here, boy. You're out of here. You don't deserve to live. You know, I had cookies, but you ruined it. Now my wife's gonna eat my tacos. Whoa, I have so good aim. I'm gonna get some Victory Royales today. And maybe get some cookies and tacos. You want one? You gotta kill me then to get one. Dead. You're dead to me. Where do you think you're going? I'm gonna get this away from me because you're ugly. How do you feel? What are you looking at? Peekaboo! This is my new toy. Go away. This is my new toy for now, okay? You are going to the trash. Oh my god. I am so beautiful. This is why you're looking at me in the eyes, huh? I know, right? I'm so beautiful. Look at this fire. Oh my god. What are you looking at? Are you gay? Ah!